What? I'm out, man.
Burning away the delusion, I'm looking for truth and I'm done with the rest. Try to deflect what he's proven, you're searching for movement but missing the test. So used to doing, not being, I'm losing my roots with this hole in my chest. Fill it with surface illusion, confusion, can't even find space to reflect. Yeah, I've been so blind to the ways I neglect, seeing pieces of me that ain't me that I still protect. Walk out in the world and begin to progress. I've been faking till I make it in a days all flesh. Finally see that my soul's been attacked. These layers of fantasy need to detach, creating some space before I react. Not at peace with myself, I need to see that. Receiving the seeds is a bleak task, but I'm ready to get rid of all of these masks. She's a little weird, cool, I'll be that. Reaping what I sow, cause I know that it'll be back. Seated with the grief in a deep crash. I didn't ask for your feedback. Greatness, I'll achieve that, even